Here at Ruby Beach, Washington, I present Draco's training arc. Draco Pebble Throw. Fuck! Omega Wind Up Throw! Draco Spin! Alright, we are here at Ruby Beach, the land of glorious flat stones and very sexy beaches. We are here to master the art of skipping stones. I got a competition to train for, and Draco never loses. And that's why I'm known as Draco Skip Master. Draco Boulder Pot. Ah! Oh, that's getting low. Draco Omega Throw. Omega Draco Throw. Today I'm going to throw 1,000 stones to chase that perfect 10 in a row rock skip. 1,000? I have to win this contest to win honor for my Draco clan. The first step to throwing a sexy rock skip is to, of course, find a sexy stone. Or more specifically, a weighty, flat stone. Which is lucky for us because Ruby Beach has millions of them. Let's go collect some stones. Step 2, apply the Draco technique. The key of executing this technique is to generate as much spin as you can with your wrist and to throw it low, parallel to the water. Did you see that? Oh my god! I made it all the way to the log. Now it is time to show you how a true master really does it. I'm actually quite bad at this, which is why I'm here to practice. Let's throw some stones. Now that I got some good practice in, I feel ready for the competition later this month. Presenting Alder Lake, Red Bull Ironman World Rock Skipping Federation Commonwealth Championships. Qualifying rounds. Top 4 skips make it to the semi-finals. First contender, Joe motherfucking Johnson. Yeah, okay. You got 5 stones. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Yours is 5. Congrats. Second contender, Danny. No! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Danny got 6. Third contender, Jacob Alatraca, the father. Okay, first throw. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. 1, 2, 2. All right, you got 6.
Hell yeah, dude, I'm moving up.
Fourth contender, Kobaine, Kist, the Goblin. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, first throw. 1, 2. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2.
Bro, not like this.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Nope.
So highest score 3. Fifth contender, Wyatt Fisher, favorite hobby, fishing. 2, 3, 3, that's 3. 2. 2. Okay,
You
3.
set the bar too high.
Nice. Sixth contender, Nikki VanderWood, the princess. Ready? 1.
So bad.
Gotta go faster.
I should be taking
1.
We're just joking.
1. Come on, you got this, girly.
Believe in you.
1.
Do it for the bisexuals.
No, I got my representation through you. That's all we need.
Nice. All ones. 7th contender, Treshia Alatraca, the life bringer. You ready? All right, go.
So,
You got it. You got it. First throw. 1. Second throw. 2. 3.
whatever you think.
4. 9. Woo! Last contender, Edward Yamut, aka DracoSwordMaster. Let's get it. Let's get it.
I was going to say that it.
2. 2. This is hard. Holy shit. Damn. 2. That's 3. Oh my god, I'm not gonna make it to the semifinals. Fuck.
For Lakewood. No more pain and party.
That's 3.
Happy birthday.
Nice, thank you. Okay, so top scores right now is 6, 6, and 5. We got a 3-way tie for 4th place, so we got 2 more throws. That's the deal. Damn, 2.
You're done. Fucking toast, bro.
1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. So 4's the score to beat. So I will not be beating. All right, you got it, Wyatt. Let's go. Yeah.
Now throw it back.
That's 2, right?
That was at least 3.
3? Okay. Just gonna beat 4. Alright.
That's the Wyatt I'm looking
Sweet.
for.
So we got 4 people making it to the semifinals. We got Kobaine, Joel, Danny, and Jacob. Let's get it started. Semifinals. Top 2 total amount of skips make it to the finals. Contenders, choose your weapons.
Yeah, that's a weird shape, dude. I don't know about that. A little one.
If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe for more. Let me see that. Nice.
Wait, show him the weird one.
They're all weird. I don't know what the fuck I'm
We
doing.
gotta bring him.
All right, first round of the semifinals. Joel, take it away. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3.
Weird shape one.
That was a weird one.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 11. 1, 12.
I'm out.
1, 2, 3. 15.
15?
15.
Honestly, like, I think it's all just like random for the rock.
First throw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Fuck you, Danny.
1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 3. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. 5.
1, 2, 3. 22.
Okay, do it.
1, 2.
That's not good.
1, 2, 3. 5. 1, 2.
I think it's close, bro.
7. 1, 2. 1, 2.
There's some beautiful skips right there.
14. All right, you got kicked out. Yeah. All right.
The best rock.
1, 2, 3, 3.
Look how nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 9.
Something like that.
9. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so that's 12. 1, 2, 14. At least 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Why are they flipping rocks?
The grand final. Danny versus Kobaine. First to 5 skips wins it all. Who's gonna go first? Danny will go first. Okay, so this is back to back.
I think I'm overthinking this.
1, 2, 3. How many, Joel? 4. 4? Woo.
So, like, yeah. Like,
1, 2, 3, 4.
Close, but no cigar.
I do.
Dude, that's just
1, 2,
not even close.
I really just forwarded.
I got a good feeling about this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the winner.
Yay!
All right.
Champion.
There you go.
Fuck yourself.
Congratulations. Here, let me get you your prize. I kind of broke it, but you won a Rubik's Cube.
Oh, sick.
Hey, champion. Congratulations, Danny.
Thanks, man. It feels
champion.
good. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Good performance.
Ramped it up.
I
You
trained.
ramped it up.
Yeah, you know, you don't want to burn yourself out, especially early in the season. You really got to save it for when it matters.
Yeah.
Something I learned from watching sports.
I'm watching. All right, dude.
All right, winner, chicken dinner.
And
Let's
if you
go.
solve it in less than 3 minutes, you get another prize.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.